Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life, and we're back down at the seafront to see what's happened in the itself is closed off for building work, and I have no idea what that's about. I can only presume that they're going to be putting in a seawall, but as I said, that's just my speculation. There's another high-tech sign up there, Borsabella. So there's plenty of seating still, and at this time of year it's not too hot outside, so people don't have an issue with sitting here. It'll be interesting to see what plays out as summer progresses though. A few admirers of my ridiculous microphone. Hello.
Hello.
What's happening here, do you know?
Let's say they want to,
Seawall?
well, to make like a pedestrian. Yes.
So what's that going to involve?
It's like people to walk and to enjoy a little
Oh,
bit
will
of
there be
the-
a roof or something?
Yes, a beautiful.
Oh, okay,
beautiful
okay.
place. Yes.
Oh, okay.
But this will take time.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it will.
We don't know exactly how long it will take.
Oh well, thank you.
May, maybe June.
Oh, it's not too bad then. I mean, you could have said 2024.
Yeah, could be there. Could be there. Could be very, very there. Hello, ladies.
Anyway, I shall leave you to it. Thank you for talking to me.
Have a nice day.
So there you have it. A certainly more official viewpoint than my one was. So we can throw out the seawall and have a sea roof. That'd be nice. A promenade? No, I don't know what you call it. There's the wooden pub without its signage. So it also means that the boy with the fish is all neglected on his own. At least it means no one can nick it. Hello. So yeah, when I last filmed, the signage at this end of the seafront was still intact, but as you can see, is now gone, and there is a mysterious new road running through the centre of the seafront. This is actually access to Paphos supermarket. Well, this is the way out. But I'll drive down there anyway, so you'll see that. But effectively, if you can't wait for that footage, what you do, you drive down to the roundabout by the archaeological park and turn left as you normally would, and you can go into the car park behind Paphos, and that is where you come out. Now that's obviously one way, so you don't try and drive that down that way, the opposite way. Right, see, all these signages have gone now, apart from Tommy Hilfiger for some reason. Were they legit? Were they the kosher signs that adhere to rules that nobody else did? They do appear to be slightly smaller, so perhaps that was it. The others were just too big. Again, that's just me speculating. Now this restaurant had been closed when I filmed last, but I'm happy to say that's open again now. So have a quick look there. And it all is good again. No idea what they were doing there, but it's all finished. And there's the new public gym they put in. Right, we're coming up to tea for two in the Pinguino Cafe now. Now the work that's going on at tea for two is, I don't think that's anything to do with the roadworks or anything. I think that's because the building itself is falling down. You probably recall that a few months ago, one of the top balconies, the bit above the top balcony collapsed onto a balcony, which then collapsed itself, crashing down just about there. Luckily no one was hurt. And it reopened for a time after that, but it looks like they're fixing it properly now, which is a good thing. Right. Normally I'd finish here, or thereabouts. I'm going to go on for a little bit longer this time because I spotted something when I last drove through. So I'm going to walk up to Bar Street. There's Pinguinos. They featured in today's picture of the day, and I have loads of recommendations for them. I know them primarily because they have a gluten-free menu which suited one of our family members, and but the general foods they're lovely as well. But apparently the cocktails are nice as well, but not seeing them I have a drink, so. It's a great place to chill. But I am going up to Bar Street because one consistent theme in all the posts and all the films I make, various people will rant about different things on them in the comments, I mean. The one consistent message is, why on earth aren't they doing anything to Bar Street? Now, a few months ago they actually did do a little bit, and it was mainly just clearing up stuff basically. What was a huge mess got turned into a mess basically. But then one of the old wrecks of a disco on the corner got boarded up, and I think that they're doing something to it now. So I'm just going to go and have a look at that. Now, it's going to all be a damp squib. I could get there and just find that someone had washed the floor or something, but hopefully it's a bit more substantial than that. And as this is a relatively short film, I thought, let's go and take a look. Now this is also Bar Street here, and from there downwards pretty much it's all business as usual. Indeed, up to here until you get to the roundabout, it's all business as usual. So don't assume that if you hear a place is at Bar Street, it's going to be a falling down mech, because it's only the top end that's really like that. Nice little church in there. You know, Flares is definitely still open. But it's just across the road here is where work was being done before Notorious. So let's go and see what they were doing. There was a big skip there. Yes, they've reconcreted the front of it. There's a rather robust metal framework around the bar itself now. But not only that, oh yeah, in the shade, in the shadow, you can see how ludicrous the microphone is. Yeah, next to my head. You'd think I'd be embarrassed, but after a while you get used to it. Right, and there's some people here doing some more work. So, whether it's on the scale of what's happening elsewhere in Paphos, I don't know. But something at least is happening at part of Bar Street. So, all is not lost. And on that mysterious note, I shall bid you farewell. Bye.